Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. In this video, I want to talk about a gem. This is like a micro cap gem. This is like one of those projects that's been there forever and no one's actually ever looked at it, including myself, till only a few days ago. So let's get into the video right now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate all you supporters. We've just hit 10k. Let's go to 20k subs. Thank you so much. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so when I upload more of these micro cap gems, you can get notified immediately. Now, warning, this video is going to be long because I'm going to cover the project, I'm going to cover how to buy it, and then I'm going to cover how to operate the wallet. So there's going to be timestamps here depending on which part of the process you're in. Hit the timestamps below in the description to fast forward, so then you don't have to sit and watch the whole video. But it's going to be fairly long if I have to cover everything properly. So this is what it's called. It's called IXIAN, okay, or here it's called IXI Cash. I don't even know how to pronounce the word, but the ticker is IXI, okay. And this project, it's been around for 4 years, would you believe? 4 years, no, 5 years, 2016. I've never heard of it, okay, until just this week. And there's some really, really good things about this project, which I'm going to talk about. So here it is on CoinGecko. The price is 0.004. So it's still very early. There's 21 billion coins, so very similar to Zilliqa. They've got 21 billion, but this is irrelevant, this 21 billion, okay, and I'll explain why in a second. There's 3.852 billion out, right? So we really need to focus on this circulating supply, all right? So forget about this 21 billion, it's irrelevant, all right? So now let's go into the project. So it's called IXIAN. It's a weird name. I have no idea what that means, but it's a fully decentralized platform that enables cryptic data streaming and high volume microtransactions. And this is fully working, right? This is fully working and operational. And there's basically three components to this project. There's the IXIAN DLT, or distributed ledger technology, which is the blockchain, and brings several innovative advantages, such as processing a high volume of microtransactions quickly while consuming low amount of processing power, disk space, and energy. Native currency is the IXIAN DLT or IXI Cash, all right? And there's 376 nodes, right, in the network, keeping this blockchain secure. So this is not, like I said, this is not a flyby. This just didn't, they just didn't create this website a week ago like we're seeing on some of these poker starter projects. Okay, let's move on. Then you've got the IXIAN S2. If I'm saying this name wrong, please leave a comment, okay? I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. It's a decentralized secure data streaming network. Yes, data streaming. There's already 11 nodes running this. They call this S2 nodes. Now these nodes as well, you can run these nodes and you can also collect fees. So they're basically called like master nodes. Okay, so the master node is already operational. This is all operational. It's incredible how sleeper this project is. And then lastly, the third product, they've got this SPI-XI, which is a new generation instant messenger with integrated cryptocurrency wallet, a truly decentralized and fast and secure chat app that makes familiar messaging experience a new level. SPI-XI aims to provide users with the best possibility of communication experience and users the highest level of privacy and security. Additionally, SPIX includes secure, easy-to-use cryptographic wallets, which enables users to easily offer paid services, trades, simplify transfer of cryptocurrency. This is absolutely incredible. There's 147 active clients running this, securing this network. Okay, so this is also incredible. This is have a look at this roadmap. They've been going since Q3 2016. So why haven't you heard about them? It's simply because these guys, they're devs, right? They do what devs do, and that's do code, I guess. They're not marketers. They just have no clue about marketing. They just like build this project, and then hopefully people will come, right? So I'm impressed by the amount of work that has actually gone on behind the scenes to do all this, and simply still be, like we're looking at it today, it's 15 million market cap, 15 million. I saw this at about 6 million. So yes, I am invested. I do have tokens, but I'll show you how to buy those tokens in a second. So we can go through, they've got a lot of resources here, the docs. I mean, I could be here talking about the whole lot of stuff, white paper, and the features, but this video will just be too long, okay? So there's a lot of technical information here. And if you want to get into the nitty-gritty, they are very technical. Again, they've got full guides of running masternodes and how everything works. It's just simply the amount of data that they have here is incredible. The docs are very extensive, one of the most extensive I've seen. To access this information, just go to resources, and then you can get all these other features. I haven't even looked at the messaging website either. I haven't even looked at that yet. So let's just go and have a look at it now. But certainly the documentation is pretty extensive. They've even got proof of work mining, optional proof of work mining. That's crazy, So you can run masternodes and even have optional proof of work mining, which is like ASIC machines running it. I haven't looked at it, or it could just be like CPU mining. I have to have a look. You can run it from your CPU from your laptop. Again, all the docs are here, very extensive. So this is the actual messaging, encrypted messaging chat app. Usually you'll find that, just one project will just be like this messaging app, and then they'll market the crap out of it, and they'll say, hey, this is the new, but this is actually 3 products in one. Okay, so these are the guides here, all right? All the masternode guides, as well as all these Windows, Mac, everything. Everything is here if you want to set up masternodes. I haven't done that yet. It might be something I might do in the future. I've just got to, do some more research on it. If the returns are pretty good, then, why not? This is all that, like I said, have a look at all this. This is crazy. So this is their GitHub. So GitHub is basically like where they store all their code. When they work on all their code, you can see it and what they've done. And it's crazy the amount of work that they've put into this project to get this up and running. So this is a good way to check if these actual people are actually working on the project. Just ask them for their GitHub, and that'll tell the story. Okay, so here's the team. The information is, like, you can see this public information. These guys here, obviously, they're just techie dudes. They're just techie dudes. They just do techie stuff, okay? They're not marketers. They don't know how to market this stuff. They just build this stuff, and hopefully people will find it. Fortunately, we've found that when it's only at 15 million. So you can do some more research on that. This is like the emissions. You can get rewards and from either the mining, or like if you want to run masternodes as well, you can get rewards. So they have mining as well in the actual, you could call it staking, kind of staking, kind of. And this is just like the emissions chart on how what rewards get produced per block. If we scroll down here, this just shows like where it is now corresponding to the block height. Okay, so you could find the block height, and then you can see how it's going to, the amount of supply is going to increase over time. So this is the block height here. Okay, so it's at 1,558,790. See how early we are? We're about here, where my cursor is. Okay, just before 2 million in the block height. Okay, and the supply is about 38. Yeah, it's about here anyway. This is not entirely. This is just a graph, but yeah, it's about we're about, well, just under 2 million, yeah, just under 4 billion, and block height is that's the block height. So why is this important? All right, so that's the block height there. So why is this important? It's because then we can gauge on where, kind of like how much is going to be produced in the future, and it's got the different blocks here. Okay, so when we're going to reach it. But if we scroll down, this is really important. It says here the target after 100 years, right, which is 21 billion IXI. That's going to happen in 100 years. That's why I'm saying 21 billion. If you look at the supply, it's irrelevant. All right, it's irrelevant because we're going to be long gone before this thing reaches 21 billion. All right. Now, if we go here to this block height here, roughly 50 years later, all right, we're going to reach this block height here, and the supply will be 19 billion. So we don't have to worry about that 50 years. 7 years, we're not going to have to really worry about that. This is the one we have to worry about. 1 year later, okay, roughly 1 year later. So we got here, we're at this block height supply. We're roughly about here, okay? We're roughly about here. Total supply, and then in another year we're going to be here, and then a year after that, and then a year after that, and a year after that. So basically the supply is going out, and it's going out really, really slow, which is a good thing. And you know, we're not going to reach, like, it's not going to reach 11 billion or half of the supply by 1, 2, 3, 4, another 5 years. Okay, so we are really good. We have nothing to worry about. So as in dilution, if you think of dilution, this is really, really slow. So I wouldn't really worry about this 21 billion supply. Forget about it, okay? So this is basically the exchange that you're going to get it on if you want to buy it, pick it up. It's on this really, really shitty exchange, okay? I don't know why they've got it on this exchange. They just happen to put it on one exchange, and that's it, right? And it's on a really, really shitty exchange. So it's called VT.net, and you got to download an application to use it, okay? Either desktop, Windows, Mac, or you can put it on your mobile. So it's not the best, but again, you know, it's not on any exchanges, so it has potential to go on many, many, many more exchanges. Again, these guys are devs; they're not marketers. They're not interested in growing the project. They just work on it. Without making this part of this section too long, obviously go and do some more research on this, and do some more due diligence on it. I do like the project because it's very well developed. They've got a long, extensive roadmap. They've been working on this for a long time. The team is visible. The supply is great. Okay, I just showed you what I mean by the supply here. Pay no attention to this 21 billion because that's not going to happen for another 100 years. It's irrelevant. So yeah, if you really look at it, the supply is not as big as you think. So check it out. I'll put all the links below for you to do some more research on this. Okay, so the next part is how to actually buy it. All right, so we'll go to that part now. All the timestamps will be below. Okay, to buy the token, you just have to go to the vite.net. I'll put the URL above here. Now, it is restricted to certain countries. Some countries it doesn't allow you to use the platform, so just take note of that. And when you get to the platform, you'll be asked to create an account, and when you do that, it'll give you the option to buy whichever platform you want to use. So you have to just download the app. I download the app off the phone for my smartphone. You can use Android or iTunes, or you can use desktop, Mac, or PC. So once you download the app, you just sync it up. You write your passphrase, you back up the seed phrase, you create your password, and you can pretty much start using it straight away. To buy the actual IXI token, you're going to need something like USDT or Ethereum or some sort of funds to buy it. Now I use USDT, so I just got my USDT, sent it from exchange. You just open up your wallet and you get your address for it, so click on USDT. Then it's very important that you actually get the right wallet. So there's basically two wallets in there. Okay, so the USDT one, you want to get the cross chain. It's got it. You'll see it down the bottom, like towards the bottom. It'll say cross chain deposit. You want to make sure that you click on that, because that will allow you to send the USDT Ethereum. Okay, and you can just check it. You'll see your address. It'll be like 0x something, and then it's an Ethereum address. So once you got that, then you just send your Ethereum, send your USDT to the address, to your deposit address, and you just have to pay the gas. It's probably going to be $10 or $15 or $20. Unfortunately, there's no way around it. And then just wait about 10 or 20 minutes, and then your USDT will arrive in your wallet. Now you have to use that to buy IXI. So down the bottom on the right hand side, you'll see on the tab down the bottom, you'll see assets. So what this asset means is, at the moment, you've got it in the actual wallet itself. So there's actually two places in the wallet. There's the wallet account, and then there's like the exchange account. Okay, so if you can think of two places that your cryptocurrency sits. And then once you click on asset, what that does is it allows you to transfer out of the wallet into the exchange wallet. Okay, and then once you transfer it over, it basically, what it does is it creates like a synthetic token, and then you can use that to trade. Okay, it's equal to whatever you're depositing in. So we're going to use USDT. Click on that asset, transfer it over, and then once you transfer it over, you're about to see it in your account. Then you come and click on markets. Once you click on markets, you're about to see the listing, and then obviously you'll click on IXI. Then you'll click on buy, and you should be able to see your USDT in there. Okay, transferred it from the wallet to the exchange wallet within the app. You have to execute some sort of gas, or it essentially just converts it to like a tokenized asset. Okay, so if it's not there, then you haven't done this process. So you have to click on this process first. Okay, which is what I just talked about, the asset. So then once it's in there, you'll see it down the bottom, and then just click on the green. So you got the red on the left hand side. You'll have all the sell orders on the left, red, and then you'll have the green. All right, and where it meets the middle is like that's where people are kind of buying and selling in that middle point. So you just set your price. I just click on the top green one, and just click 100%, and then you just wait for the order to go through. It should go through. It's not instant, but it'll fill eventually. And then once you've got that, you should have your IXI in your exchange wallet. So then now what you have to do is you have to transfer it out of your exchange wallet, or you can just keep it in the exchange wallet if you want. It's up to you. But if you want to transfer it outside of this app, what you need to do is just go back to asset, and then just repeat this process. Okay, and you'll see like a toggling switch, and it'll give you like it'll show you your wallet, and then it'll show you the exchange. So you've got to go from, because you're already in the app trading, you've got to go from the exchange to the wallet. Okay, so once you do that, it'll go to the wallet account within the app. And then once you're in that wallet account, then you're good to go. Now you can withdraw it, and then you can send it to the Lite wallet, which is the official wallet for IXI, okay? So that's going to be the next step that we're going to do. So we'll see you in that step. Okay, to download the Lite wallet, all you need to do is go to the website, scroll down, and you'll see this resources, and then you go downloads, okay? So once you get to the downloads page, you just scroll down and you'll see here this IXIAN Lite wallet version 0.80C Windows binary. Alright, so yeah, it looks like there's only just the Lite wallet for Windows at the moment, okay? So you can get that wallet and just click download, okay? So you'll just download the zip file, and when you download it, then just unzip it first. Okay, unzip it. Then once you unzip it, open the folder up, and you want to click on this one here. It says IXIAN Lite Wallet Application. So you want to click on that one, and then once you click on that, it'll open up like a binary application. Okay, it's going to look something like this. What it's going to do, it's going to ask you to create a password, and once you create that password, don't forget it, and then log into your account. So what I'll do is I'll log in here. Okay, so then now that I'm logged in, this will give you your address. Okay, so this is your address that you can send your IXI tokens, which is in the exchange wallet, okay? That we were just in the previous step. If you're just unsure of how to work this wallet, you just click in, type in help, okay? And then it's going to give you these instructions. So first of all, you want to back up, all right? So you want to type in backup, and backup's going to give you just like a whole bunch of squiggly characters, and there's probably going to be about a page of these characters, okay? You want to copy and paste that into a document, because that's how you get back into your wallet. If you forget, if your computer shuts down for some reason, you can't get access to the wallet, you can just open up a different wallet and then get back into it with your backup. Alright, so do this first, back it up first, and then you can have a bit of play with this if you want. Like you can just put in your balance, so you just type in balance. Okay, so at the moment I've got no balance in there. You can just type in address again, it'll tell you your address. Okay, this is my primary address, so then this is the address that I will send. I'll go back into my wallet, exchange wallet, and then I'll just send it to this address. Do a small amount first to test it, then send the majority of it, okay? Always test first. And then you'll have it on this wallet, okay? You'll get it off that exchange wallet and have it on your own personal wallet, okay? Now to shut it down, you can just click on the X, or you can just type in exit, and then that's it. You are good to go. So that's how you use your wallet. Pretty easy to do. So these are all the steps that I've showed you now, and obviously do some more research into it. This is not financial advice. Hope this helps, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50 plus HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.